Did you know 87% of marketers agree on one single concept, which is video content works great in converting viewers into loyal customers. And it's a fact that video marketing can overturn the whole scene for you. But before that, you must know where and how to use video for lead generations. Let's explore 7 best ways and stick with us till the end to get your match. Your website or landing page is probably the first touchpoint between you and your leads. If you want to provide a glimpse of your product or service at once, what can be better than a product overview video? Here you can see a classic example of that. Much the same way, create a comprehensive video and place it on your site, and let your audience know why they are in straight away. While doing all that, don't forget to merge this with a form to get the details you want. Product demo is perfect for showcasing your product. But what if your user fails to understand how to use it? That's when tutorial videos and how to content take charge. A well-crafted tutorial not only educates your customers but also reflects your support and value to them. This is why make sure the topic you have picked to create a video is worth a shot. And don't forget to include your leads in the process by taking their feedback. The capability of a product to solve real-life problems makes it a must-have for people. The videos on case studies serve as a visual representation of this claim. During the process, never say anything hypothetical. Instead, demonstrate to them how your product or service effectively addressed and resolved an issue. Make your case study video a little hooky, keep things precise, and demonstrate the pros and cons in front of your customers, and let them handle the rest. If they find it useful, they're going to hear from you again. Wait, do you know Facebook generates 8 billion views on average per day? And if you include Instagram, TikTok, and other social media platforms, just imagine the number. That clearly shows how impactful sharing videos on social media can be. If you can hit the right spot, it takes a moment to set the stage on fire. All you need is to find your target customers, continuously keep your feed updated, and you never know when your content will become viral. While social media content can be accessed easily, there's a way to lock your content behind a sign-up form. It's time for another handy video marketing strategy to join the league: the gated video. Without sign-up, leads can't access gated content. Perhaps this is the reason why around 80% of B2B content is gated. Gated video contents work like lead magnets, so only gate a video if it's truly valuable. You can check out HubSpot's free resources to see if your content is worth gating. Craft exceptional content, validate its worthiness, and then use this strategy. Well, if you want an easy alternative to content gating, then you can handpick the Add in Video Contact Form technique. Simply embed your form into a video, either before playing it or at the end. In case you are looking for the best place for your form, we recommend adding in video contact forms in the middle of the video. And make sure to include valuable information before they reach that point. Did that right? Now, let your leads decide if they want to sign in or not. That's great, but you want more leads, right? YouTube is a lead generation powerhouse, and tools like cards and end screen are your secret weapons. Drive your audience to other videos using cards, and to bring your audience to the website, you can employ an end screen. If you can keep your leads hooked till the end, no matter which one they click, you will be in a win-win situation in both cases. Generating leads is just the beginning. Right after getting it, you need to start nurturing them. This is when you need a marketing automation tool like Fluent CRM. No matter where your leads come from, nurture them with automated email funnels, guide your prospects' buyer journey, and convert them into sales. Don't forget to check out because Fluent CRM is running a surprise discount. Well, with that bonus addition, our list of top 7 ways to use a video for lead generation reaches its conclusion. Whether you're creating a live video, showcasing a product, or sharing client testimonials, adapt to a technique that perfectly suits you. And don't stop at collecting leads. Nurture them to achieve new heights.